A stirring debate on gene therapy. Sarepta's response to tragic events. In a striking announcement on Friday, Sarepta Therapeutics, Nasdaq SRPT, clarified that the unfortunate deaths of 2 patients undergoing treatment with its gene therapy, Elevidys delandistrogene moxeparvovec-rokl, recently documented in a public database by the FDA, are not connected to their treatment for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD. The implications of this announcement stir up important discussions about treatment safety versus public perception. Sarepta's spokeswoman, Tracy Sorrentino, conveyed to Jen that the company believes the deaths, one of which involved a 25-year-old who succumbed to a pneumothorax approximately 3 months after receiving the treatment, and another involving a 19-year-old with a history of viral infection leading to a low ejection fraction, were entirely unrelated to Elevidys therapy. Nonetheless, this raises an essential question. How can a treatment that is potentially life-saving also face scrutiny after such incidents? This response follows a research note by Dr. Brian Abrahams from RBC Capital Markets, which brought these deaths to light for investors. The FDA Adverse Event Reporting System, FAERS, indicated that there are 4 deaths associated with Elevidys, among a total of 168 reported cases, highlighting the seriousness of such events. To ensure clarity, it's important to note that FAERS does not specify whether these deaths are linked to treatment, even though comprehensive information is provided to the FDA itself. As crucial as the news surrounding these deaths is, it does not seem to have dented investor confidence in Sarepta. Following the release of encouraging second-quarter results, the company's stock surged by approximately 15%. This positive movement came after Sarepta announced revenues surpassing analysts' expectations, with total product revenues reaching $611.1 million, significantly ahead of the predicted $532 million. What fuels this contrast in investor sentiment? Elevidys alone accounted for a remarkable $281.9 million in product sales for the first half of this year, reflecting an impressive year-over-year growth of over 132%. This stark increase emphasizes the urgency and necessity of alternatives for patients suffering from DMD, thereby complicating the narrative around the recent deaths. However, caution is advised for the third quarter, as analysts forewarned of potential inconsistencies in Elevidys sales due to the temporary halt in shipments, especially affecting non-ambulatory patients. As Dr. Sammy Corwin from William Blair stated, such pauses are likely to introduce lumpiness in revenue and may reflect a broader hesitancy among both patients and physicians regarding purchasing decisions. This leads to a thought-provoking consideration. Are patients' and healthcare providers' fears justified? Despite skepticism surrounding investor re-entry into Sarepta stock, positive forecasts emerge hinting at a return to growth. Notably, while 2 analysts recently raised their price target estimates for Sarepta, tensions remain high due to the complex safety discourse surrounding gene therapies. The debate surrounding the ethical implications of gene therapy treatment remains a crucial dialogue, particularly in light of the FDA's previous suspension of Elevidys shipments due to the tragic events. With all eyes on Sarepta and its subsequent responses, the challenge lies in balancing advancement in medical science with patient safety. Will the community's continued demand for Elevidys, despite the safety concerns, lead to a broader acceptance of innovative gene therapies? Join the conversation. How do you view the risks and benefits of gene therapy treatments in light of these recent developments? Your thoughts matter.